एक पंटी भितर पेट्टा ती जगई रे ती जगई एक पंटी भितर पेट्टा ती जगई रे ती जगई
12-13 वर्सांचो भुरगो सतीश संघाच्या शाखेर येतालो सातिनिसच्या त्या वेळाचेर म्हजी आनी ताची भेट पयली चुणचुणीत भुरगो हो जर संघान उरलो जाल्यार कायापालट करतलो संघाचें अशें दिसतालें सगळींच मतां सदांच बरोबर उरतात अशें ना पण सतीश खंय ना खंय तरी आमी एकामेकांक आपडटाले बरोबर काम करपाचो संदी केन्नाच मेळ्ळी ना
पयलीं जर्नलिजमान सतीश सोनकान खूब प्रेरणा दिली त्यानंतर जेन्ना म्हजे बूक काडपाचे जाले पोएमीचे तेन्ना सतीश सोनक म्हज्या खातीर खूब वावरलो दुसरे बूक ताज्या खातीरूच आयले केन्नाय मेळ्ळ्यार तो विचारतालो तिसरे बूक केन्ना काडटा कवितांचे काय म्हणून तो गेलो तेन्ना एक कविता आयली तीच फक्त सादर करता तो अजून बोलतोय माझ्याशी तो अजून बोलतोय माझ्याशी परवा उठून मी अचानक गाठले नीरव स्मशान परवा उठून मी अचानक गाठले नीरव स्मशान काही धनिकांची शहरातील प्रतिष्ठितांची काही सज्जनांची प्रेते इथेच जाळली गेली होती
And he was truly an older brother to me. And whenever कसलेय कॉज जाऊ दे आम्ही सरदार कर्नाल सिंगाचो स्टॅच्यू बसवलो पत्रादेवी एवरीवेअर खंयी जावं कॉलेजींनी ताका आपयतालो स्पीच दिवपाक केन्ना पॅट्रियोटिझमाचें फर्स्ट नांव म्हणजे तकलेन जालें सतीश बाईचें सो ही वॉज देअर फॉर ऑल द मुवमेंट्स एंड आय फील that I think and I'm sure that he was a very honest and a man of impeccable character.
I think our tribute to his life and to all that he meant to us would mean doing some of the things that he did.
सतीश बाबाच्यांनी म्हजी भेट इंडिया अगेन्स्ट करप्शन मुवमेंटाच्यान जाल्ली 6 वर्सां तांचे बरोबर म्हजें एसोसिएशन आशिल्लें आनी इन मेनी वेज ही वॉज माय गुरू and I learned something every single time I met him.
If Satish Sonak were here today and we would have asked him, what would you have liked this Mandali to do? Would you have liked them to mourn for you? Or would you have liked them to celebrate what you have done? And what better way to celebrate than by doing what some of the speakers have suggested, set up a very good foundation, a very activist foundation, not one of these pacifist ones, a good foundation, which will take up and be the conscience of this society. Because we are daily losing our conscience. So as a fellow activist, all that I am saying is, please let us try and see how to keep not his memory alive, but his conscience as the conscience of this society. We need it more than ever before.
But if there is one word, just one word, that describes this man to me, is the word purity. There was no one I have met in my life who has been more pure than Satish. Pure in thought, pure in deed, pure in his mission, pure in his compassion,